I think it's a really, innovative way for us as a city to look at making, individuals in our community just, again, more economically resilient.
Right now, the city of Columbus is considering an ordinance that would clear millions in medical debt for residents. Thanks for joining us for NBC4 at 11. I'm Kyle Beachy. If passed, the city would partner with a national nonprofit that would purchase nearly $200 million of medical debt from local hospitals for just a fraction of the cost. As NBC4's Caleb Michael reports, there will be a public hearing tomorrow night so residents can learn more about the program.
Columbus City Councilman Rob Doran says tomorrow's meeting will be a chance for the community to hear the proposed contract and who will benefit from it. He says the goal is to help those burdened by medical debt get back on their feet.
What are ways that we can support residents to make the community more resilient post-COVID is really think about how we can make more folks more financially stable.
The proposal to remove the medical debt of some Columbus residents is all in an effort to help those who need it, especially after the pandemic.
Folks had everything disrupted, their wages, their housing, all these kinds of things. And then on top of that, we have far too many residents that are overburdened with medical debt.
Columbus City Councilman Rob Doran says if this ordinance is approved, the city will partner with the national nonprofit RIP Medical Debt.
They've been doing this across the country with cities and counties, private organizations, charities, and then they negotiate with the hospital systems for that debt relief.
The nonprofit will target the medical debt for Columbus residents who earn less than 400% of the federal poverty level or whose medical debt makes up 5% or more of their annual income. Doran says their goal is to be very particular about who gets the relief.
These are folks that, don't qualify for charity care or other types of financial assistance, but they're folks that really have, potentially high deductible health care plans. These are folks that are living paycheck to paycheck that really can't absorb thousands and thousands of dollars of medical debt.
He also says it's mostly been positive support for the project, though some have expressed concern over taking away the debt. To which Doran says,
if we're in a position to remove some of these big burdens over those folks' head, to allow them to then transition more towards financial stability on their own, I think everyone would agree that we want more folks in our community to be more economically stable
and ensure that it's going to the most vulnerable.
We're really trying to drill down to the folks in our community that really could benefit the most from this kind of debt relief.
Tomorrow night's meeting starts at 5 p.m. It'll happen here at Council Chambers. You can watch it online virtually as well. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Caleb Michael, NBC4.